Go Waller! We are Waller. Please join me in the flag salute, starting with the American flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for the Oklahoma flag salute. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma, its symbols of peace unite all people. Please join me in a moment of silence. Thank you.
Now for the joke of the day.
I am Sean from the 6th grade. Why did the chef get fired? For beating the eggs and whipping the cream.
Hi, I'm Ruben Daniels from the 7th grade. What do you do to a charging bull? Take away its credit card.
Hi, I'm Jerwin. Hi, I'm Jerwin from the 8th grade, and my joke of the day is Kendall Miller.
Sixth grade in a landslide. Good job.
Now for the talent. Please welcome Paige Broyles and Michaela Arrington performing a dance.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here.
Most incredibly, it's your girl, B. It's your boy, Young. Ready?
Why do girls love to do that pose? Are they your new trainers? What are those? Idiot gal, pick your nose and eat it, gal. I am the realest gal. Get ugly.
I'm sorry, I'll try harder.
Taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck.
Everybody love me, everybody love me, everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.
Wake up in the morning, then I had to pull up on the block, 'cause today I get to work. And you know my top drop, and my car name is Nay. Had to hit the car, 'cause today is a good day. Slide to the left.
Persuasion can build a nation. Endless power. Without love, we can devour. You'll do anything for me. Who run the world? Girls, girls.
It's not. Now for the announcements.
Cheer tryouts are the 8th from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. For more info, please go to the office.
Middle school boys tennis is at Union today, and middle school girls tennis is at Union on the 8th.
Thank you to the art students for getting the kids painted for domestic violence.
This week, Waller WIDA testing will be taking place. Today, the WIDA listening test will be taking place. Tomorrow, the WIDA reading. March 9th, WIDA writing. March 10th, WIDA speaking. And March 11th, WIDA makeups.
The Legally Blonde musical is the 10th and the 11th at 7 p.m.
Spring break is next week.
The lunch menu this week is Monday chicken fried steak, Tuesday Indian taco, Wednesday pig in a blanket, Thursday chicken tenders, and Friday hamburger.
If you painted a canvas that's out in the Student Center for LGE, Leadership Grader Enid, I need to see you in the Student Center right after the assembly for like 30 seconds.
This weekend, NJHS went to a conference and we got an award, Honor Council Award. So thank you.
Now for the weekly video.
Hey you guys, I'm Lauren, and this is your weekly newscast. I don't want to be around him anymore, so bye!
Hey Waller, I'm Maddox, and she'll be coming back with Whole Day Insights.
Hey you guys, it's National Frozen Food Day, so go get some ice cream or some popsicles and just have a good time with friends. Yeah.
And chill. Hillbilly Buck here. I just want to say thank you to Lauren for telling us about some ice cream. And now to Maddox.
Hey Waller, March 7th, today's our first baseball game at Woodward, so let's get that win.
Thank you, Maddox, for that baseball information, and now to Kendall with some Oscar wins.
Hey guys, I'd like to inform you on your Oscars 2016 winners. For Best Picture, the movie Spotlight. For Best Actor, Leonardo DiCaprio. Best Actress, Brie Larson. Best Supporting Actor, Mark Rylance. And shout out to Chris Rock and his daughter for having the most cookies sold out of the Girl Scouts.
Mitchell, best drama teacher.
I didn't expect it, but I accept this with humility and pride, and who cares? I won!
Mr. Hart.
Mr. Hart, best subject too.
Oh my God! I never expected this. Oh my gosh! Thank you. I want to thank all the little people, especially Maddox, because he's so short. God, I just wasn't prepared for this.
What about SOE?
Yeah, my man Kendall. All right, this is a Kendall production, by the way.
Mr. Gilbert, 2016 best art teacher.
Yay! Look, guys, I won!
Hey you guys, spring break is starting the end of this week, so I'm just gonna go home and like have a Netflix party with like all 4 of my friends and force them to watch the shows that I like and they don't.
Thank you, Lauren, for that announcement about spring break. Can't wait to relax and play some ball. Now to Kendall with the Dr. Seuss rap.
SOE. Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss. That Sam I am. That Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am. Do you like rings, eggs, and ham? I do not like them. Sam I am. I do not like them green eggs and ham. Would you like them here or there? like them anywhere? I would not like them here or there. I do not like green eggs and ham. Green eggs and ham. I do not like them Sam I am. Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? Ooh, with a mouse. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I don't like them anywhere. Thank you, SOE Production.
Thank you, SOE, for that fantastic rap.
And that was your weekly newscast. Hope you have a good week, Waller.
School orchestra went to Dallas, Texas last week for a competition. They received a superior, which is the highest you can get. So congratulations, Enid High.
Hi, I'm Lucas Brown, and I'm from the Story Chasers Club. Today I am here with Blythe Holcomb.
Tegan Hacker.
And today we are interviewing the Legally Blonde play. Now, what time is this going to be?
It will be at 7:30 Thursday and Friday, and for the AAA students, it will be on Wednesday.
And how much will this play cost?
It'll be free for children 5 and under. It'll be $3 for students, $10 for adults, $5 for senior citizens, and it will be free for all faculty and staff.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Lucas from the Story Chasers Club, and I'm here with
Blythe Holcomb.
And today we are also interviewing the characters in the Legally Blonde play. Now, what character do you play?
I play Paulette Buonafonte. She is a hairstylist that befriends Elle.
Do you sing any songs in this play?
Yes, I do. I actually have a solo called Ireland.
Thank you. Hi, I am Lucas from the Story Chasers Club, and I am here with
Tegan Hacker.
Today we are interviewing the characters of the Legally Blonde play. Now, what character do you play in Legally Blonde?
I am Emmett Forrest. I am Elle's love interest, and I'm Professor Callahan's associate for the play.
Do you sing any songs in this play?
Yes, I sing one solo called Chip on My Shoulder.
Thank you.
There, and this Friday we will host our own school lip dub, okay? And we need each president from each club to meet us in room 119 so we can plan it out. It should be really fun, okay? From 8 to 8:30, room 119. Don't forget, guys. Please welcome to the song that we're gonna be doing, My House.
Okay, we got some Falcon fans in the building.
Yes, we do.
But we also got like a football player who is also a Falcon fan.
Okay.
Who has been all over the news, all over everything for representing to the fullest and dealing with challenges, but still his love of football is just unbelievable. And doing his thing at Hampton High School.
Yes.
And now is it Devon or is it Devin?
It's actually Davon.
Davon,
Oh,
see?
Davon.
Davon Barrett's in the building.
Davon Barrett.
Thank you for having me, man. Thank you for having me.
How you feeling, man?
God is great, man. I'm feeling great. How about you?
I'm doing good, man. I ain't got no complaints. If I was in the happy, I'd be twins. It'd be two of me. You know, you represent for the school. I know that you've gotten a lot of notoriety from people all around the country.
Yes, sir.
But how is the team doing? Are y'all winning?
Right now, we're second year to school, so we're building to get better. It's a work in progress.
Is that the no?
So, no, they're not winning.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah, we're not winning. Yeah.
Not winning.
Now, you know, I mean, this has become a national story because, of course, if you know Davon's journey, you know, with cerebral palsy, but he is a warrior and he is very grounded in his faith. You know, when people are now noticing you and talking about your football career, like, what are they saying?
They are just basically asking me what made you want to do this, and I just basically said I wanted to actually change the game.
Okay.
I wanted to let God will be done and be different. And you don't see a whole bunch of people with disabilities trying to play football. So
right.
I wanted to change the game.
Oh, you know what? That says you have a lot of courage, and there's so many people out here that wish